Understanding human blood types. Human blood isn't simply red liquid. It's a remarkably complex substance categorized into different types based on the presence or absence of specific antigens on the surface of red blood cells. The most well-known system is the ABO system, classifying individuals as having type A, B, AB, or O blood. These classifications are determined by inherited genes from our parents. Type A blood possesses the A antigen, type B has the B antigen, type AB has both, and type O has neither. Crucially, alongside these antigens, we also have antibodies in our plasma that react against foreign antigens, meaning those not found on our own cells. This is why incompatible blood transfusions can be incredibly dangerous, triggering a potentially fatal immune response. The Rh factor adds another layer of complexity. Individuals are either Rh positive, Rh plus, if they possess the D antigen, or Rh negative, Rh, if they don't. Therefore, you might be A plus, B dash, AB plus, O plus, and so on. This means someone with A plus blood has both the A antigen and the Rh factor, while someone with B lacks the Rh factor but possesses the B antigen. Understanding this combination is vital for safe transfusions. An Rh-negative individual cannot receive Rh-positive blood, as they will develop antibodies against it, causing complications in future transfusions, or even during pregnancy, if carrying an Rh-positive fetus. Each blood type exhibits certain tendencies regarding susceptibility to different diseases. For instance, individuals with type O blood are often considered universal donors because their red blood cells lack A and B antigens, making them compatible with all other types. However, they are also more prone to developing ulcers and experiencing complications from bacterial infections like cholera. Conversely, those with type AB blood, being universal recipients, can receive blood from any type, but may be slightly more vulnerable to cardiovascular diseases. These aren't definitive rules, but rather statistical correlations observed through epidemiological studies. Type A individuals have shown a moderate susceptibility to certain cancers and heart disease, while type B is linked to increased risk of pancreatic cancer. The reasons for these associations are still being investigated, but likely involve the way antigens interact with pathogens and the body's immune system. It's important to note that blood type isn't a predictor of illness. It simply indicates a potential increased risk when combined with other lifestyle factors like diet, genetics, and environmental exposures. Focusing on preventative health measures remains paramount regardless of one's blood type. In conclusion, human blood types are a fascinating example of genetic inheritance and immunological complexity. While knowing your blood type is crucial for medical procedures like transfusions and pregnancy management, it also offers intriguing insights into potential health predispositions. Ongoing research continues to unravel the intricate connections between blood type antigens, disease susceptibility, and overall well-being, highlighting the importance of personalized medicine tailored to individual biological characteristics. Questions. 1. The ABO blood group system is determined by the presence of antibodies in red blood cells. 2. An individual with AB plus blood can only safely receive blood from other AB plus donors. 3. Type O blood is considered a universal donor because it lacks both A and B antigens. 4. Rh-negative individuals can safely receive Rh-positive blood without any complications. 5. Having a specific blood type definitively predicts whether someone will develop a particular disease. 6. Individuals with type O blood are statistically less prone to developing ulcers compared to other blood types. 7. The Rh factor refers to the presence or absence of the D antigen on red blood cells. 8. Epidemiological studies suggest a correlation between type B blood and an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. 9. Blood type antigens have no impact on how the body interacts with pathogens. 10. Personalized medicine aims to tailor healthcare based on individual biological characteristics, including blood type.